In this video we are going to learn about the customization of a blog. So for customization, here two tabs are given, theme and layout. So first we will check out theme and then we will go for layout. So let's get back to theme. This is my default theme. You can either customize or choose from the given theme. You can preview your theme here. So okay, after selecting the themes, now let's move on to layout section and see what changes we can do. Here allow subscription to your blog. You can allow them by clicking tick on this, so follow by email, and save this. Now let's move on to page list top. Now let's move to the page list. Take on the visibilities, add those pages which you have added, contact us and about us. Add those pages which you have added, contact us and about us, and save them. And preview your changes here. So we are going to learn about how to create an article and publish on the Blogger. So first of all, go to new post. Give a title to your article. For example, let's take it as my first post. Let's write for an example. And then preview your post. This is how it will look like to your readers. Now you can add labels on it and then you can publish it. You can view your blog from here. This is your first post. Thank you for watching this video.